Recently, MechBrewery sent me this Crucible65 to review, and with the pre-order ending soon, here are my initial impressions. The full review is on the way, but this should suffice for some quick thoughts if you're interested in the board. The group buy ends on the 31st of this month. Some things I like about it so far are the looks of it. The bottom has some simple geometry, but still very stunning with small touches like the USB port being low and pretty well done. The typing is extremely comfortable, it isn't super soft, and it isn't super stiff. The softness is definitely due to the flex cuts in both the PCB and the plate, but due to this it is also a tad bit muted. The color is stunning, and I'm a fan of the sound of when the PCB flex cuts are taped, as I think it makes the sound a little more audible and brings out more of the switch character, rather than the sound being dampened by the soft mounting. So far, the only thing I'm not a fan of really specifically with the board is the friction fitted feet and the plate flex cuts, but those of course are a preference thing. There is more that I like and dislike, but I do need to spend more time gathering my thoughts for the full review. Without further ado, here are some sound tests to gauge an idea with the classic combo of MX Blacks on Alu.